Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. As the years roll by, those who actually desire a better Nigeria, watching how things are playing out and seeing how their tribes have been marginalized, have started singing the song of secession. A typical example is what is going on in Southeast, where a lot of agitators are beginning to sing the song of Biafra. Biafra exit. While some persons are of the opinion that the Igbos will desire Igbo presidency come 2023, others are saying the reason why they're agitating is because of the magnified marginalization on their tribe and how they have been maltreated over the years that is actually making the cry and call for secession to increase, to be on a hype. But right now, some of the stakeholders are beginning to talk, and what they're saying is quite. I think it's worth listening to. They have mentioned the reasons why what is happening and the right method or mechanism that can be used to quench the ideology of Biafra, and they're saying that actually this is what they want. Before we go to the newspaper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Imo State Governor, that's Hope Uzodinma, as at today said that Ndibo wants justice, equity, fairness, and not Biafra. Okay? Let's hear him out. What Ndibo wants is justice, equity, and fairness. A Nigeria that provides a level playing ground for all citizens. This is what we want, not Biafra, he said. Uzodinma disclosed this while delivering his opening address at the first Southeast Security meeting in Owerri, the Imo State capital that bettered Ebubago regional security outfit in the Southeast. On insecurity bedeviling Owerri, Uzodinma debunked myriad of theories propounded by few Nigerians, noting that they are further from the truth. According to him, following Monday's attack in Owerri and the preceding ones in various parts of the southeast, many people have come up with varying degrees of theories concerning the motive of the attackers and its consequences on our people. The most ridiculous of those theories is the one that posits that Igbo no longer want to be part of Nigeria, hence their belligerence and predilections for war and violence. Nothing can be further from the truth. Perhaps that's the intention of those merchants of violence across Igbo land. But that is a wicked and malicious conspiracy, and is a theory that is concocted by enemies of Ndibo. Let us therefore in one voice declare here and now that the Southeast is not at war with the federal government. With the federal government, okay? If anything, we are on the same page in not only condemning terrorism anywhere in Nigeria, but in fighting the same with all the arsenals at our behest. Like I propounded time after time, Igbo are not at chaos with anyone, neither is anyone at chaos with Igbo. The fact of the matter is that Igbo are the highest stakeholders in Nigeria. In most cities in Nigeria outside Igbo land, our people constitutes the second to the largest in population after the indigenous of that state. Our people have more stakes in real estate in virtually all the major cities in the country. Our people control the commanding height of commerce all over the country. So, who has more stakes in Nigeria than the Ndibos? As I said at different forum recently, no sane man will urinate into a well he and his family drink from. I know for sure that Igbos are wise enough to know that. What Ndibo wants is justice, equity, and fairness. A Nigeria that provides a level playing ground for all citizens. That is what we want, not Biafra. And we believe we can get what we want through constructive and tenacious engagement with fellow nationals and relevant institutions, not by violence or chaos. Igbo have seen chaos not in storybooks or in movies, but real chaos and war. And that's true. Remember what history tells. Alright, let's continue what he said. He now went further and explained. He said, no right thinking Igbo who experienced an excruciating and devastating effects of the civil chaos and war on Igbo land and our people will vote for another chaos. The young and the inexperienced may zealously want to beat the drumbeat of chaos, but it's our duty as their parents and elders to talk them out of it. Those creating the erroneous impression that Igbo want to leave Nigeria are either naive or mischievous. Igbo need Nigeria just like Nigeria, and Nigerians need Igbo. We also have those who see what is happening as a dress rehearsal for 2023. The motive here is to create again an erroneous impression that Igbo are not united and therefore unfit to produce the next president of the country. This again begs the question. I don't think there is any ethnic group in Nigeria that is as united as Igbo. We all can't be in the same political party, just like other ethnic groups are not in one political party. In fact, we, the Igbo, are more united than any other ethnic nationality in Nigeria. Through our shared struggles, our conquered history, and our deep-rooted extended family traditions and brotherhood. These values make our belief and commitment to a united Nigeria beyond reproach. Therefore, we should jettison these conspiracy theories and treat this security threat purely for what it is. As a region, there is an absolute need for us to collaborate and work out a solution. Like our people say, when we urinate together, it foams. Okay. Or one for that, like some people will say, okay, this is nice anyway. All right, you have heard what Governor Hope Uzodinma has got to say. He said, look, the Indians are not in their need of Biafra. In fact, they don't even want Biafra. All they are asking for is equity, fairness, justice for all citizens, level playing ground where everyone would exercise their franchise, exercise being a true Nigerian. And he said, look, if they are to succeed, if anyone is to break out, that Indians will suffer simply because they will suffer the most, simply because they have vast majority of their real estate outside Igbo land and not even in Igbo land. Let's put in the comment section. Do you agree with him that Igbos need to, look at One Nigeria project more simply because they have a lot